remove the center cap, just use a straight blade screwdriver, pop that off. Take the lug nuts off, use a 19mm socket. Take the wheel off. Underneath the vehicle, we're going to take this shield down. Sometimes there's a little cover right here. With the bolts, we're going to take those out. They're going to be a 13mm. Let's use a socket. Take that shield down. There's a connector right here. We need to disconnect that, or a pick, and just move the connector lock down. That's what that looks like. Sometimes you can just pull it down a little bit, then you can grab the connector, push down on the tab. There we go. Pull that out. All you need to do is push down on the tab. Now there's two screws holding the actuator in. Use a 8mm socket, take those out. Take that out, and you should be able to grab the actuator and just slide it out. Now take the actuator, slide it back in position. Line it up. While you're holding it in, take the screws, get those started. And tighten it down. And I'm going to torque those to 53 inch-pounds. Take the connector, you can put this lock back on if you popped it off. And I'm not going to push it all the way down. Push the connector on. Lock it down. And then push down on the lock. And put the lower cover on, lower shield, put the bolts in, and tighten it down. Put the wheel on. And the lug nuts. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, just double check. Take the center cap. There is a marking on the back that you line up with where the valve stem is. Just line that up there, lock it down.